Now here's a perfect example. Iron and silver together. Iron and silver together. Throw the iron. Roosevelt dime. It's silver. Perfect. Old toy soldier. Been there a long time. All around this. So there we go. That sounds good. What do we got? Aha! Another silver dime. Nice Liberty dime. Perfect. 2 silvers in 5 minutes. I knew that one sounded good. So we had a silver right here, and we had a silver right here. So also sounds good. When we got it out of the hole. What do we got? Wheat penny. Nice old wheat penny. Awesome. Some old stuff on this little hill right here. So we got a silver right here, wheat penny, silver, and let's see what we got here. This one also sounds good. Nice and deep. I love it when they're deep like that. Oh, silver quarter. Nice. 3 pieces of silver. 10 minutes. Awesome. Place is sick. 3 silvers. So There we go. Always check your hole. Go slow. And check up as high on the bank as you can. Well, if you can believe it, that also sounds like silver. Can you believe it? Another silver quarter. Wow. $19.54. Another silver. Unbelievable. Check your hole. Go slow. That one's deep. In the hole. Okay, you can see how deep that hole is. That's about 8-10 inches deep. Oh my God. Another silver. Another Roosevelt dime. Yet another silver. Wow. What a day. I barely heard that. As you can see, it's real deep. Well, here's one way up. Another dime. And look where that one was, way up there. This is when it pays to go very slow. Now here's a signal I normally probably wouldn't have gotten in the summertime. Sinker. Sinkers sound Sinkers sound like silver. And they sound like rings. Alright, I got another target right here. Oh well, we thought it was a ring. Okay, so let's move back here and follow this line right down. Oh, junk. I try to overlap on my swings. Piece of brass. That sounds good. And as you can see, we're very close to the water line. Okay. And another dime. Not silver. You can definitely tell the difference between clad and silver.